Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to talk the ways to sharpen people skills. The ways to sharpen the ways to sharpen people skills. People skills. Okay. So our today's topic is the ways to sharpen people skills. See, sharpening people skills can help you maintain relationships and further your career. Okay, so we have to find out how emotional intelligence and self-awareness improve communication and boost our confidence. Okay, so life would be great if everybody got along and agreed on everything, but that is not the world we live in. To get along in the real world, you need people skills or human skills and more. Whether to maintain relationships at home, at work, you need to know how to listen, uh, how to make your wishes known, how to make your wishes known. Okay, and how to resolve differences without conflict, and how to resolve differences without conflict. So there are several strategies we can practice to improve our people skills in dealing with the different personalities and challenging situation, and boost our confidence level in the process. Okay, so let's talk that first way is that we must develop our emotional intelligence. Develop our or your emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence. Develop our or your emotional intelligence. Okay, see, emotional intelligence allows us to be aware of and in charge of our emotions. Sharpening our emotional intelligence can help us to keep our emotions balanced and boost our confidence. Okay, see, what to say and what not to say to someone with depression. Okay, these strategies will help you to develop our emotional intelligence. Okay, so learn to become more aware of your emotions and responses to certain situations. Okay, awareness is the foundation skill along the path to improved interpersonal skills. Okay, next, keep your emotions in balance. What? Keep your emotions in balance. Okay, in order to be in rhythm with others, we have to be rhythm with ourselves. Okay, so keep your emotions in balance. Next, recognize when you or others are stressed. Recognize when you or others are stressed. When it comes to dealing with difficult situations, keep in mind that proper timing can lead to a better outcome. If you or other person is stressed, you will lose common ground. Okay. So what develop your emotional intelligence. Okay, so learn to become more aware of your emotions and responses to certain situations. Keep your emotions in balance. Recognize when you or others are stressed. Okay. Second thing is that resolve conflict in resolve conflict in a positive way. In a positive way. Okay. Resolve conflicts it in a positive way. Okay. See, be it at work or at home, a certain amount of conflict is unavoidable in any relationship. Okay, try these ways to improve your people skills and resolve conflict in a positive way. Okay, first, focus on the present. What? Focus on the present. Holding on to old hurts or grudges makes it hard to move forward and build a better future. What? Once again, holding on to old hurts or grudges makes it hard to move forward and build a better future. Okay. Next thing is that it is focus on the present. Think about respecting on other person, not controlling them. Think about respecting the other person, not controlling them. Not controlling them. The goal is to adapt to situations and people, not impose yourself on them. You can show respect for the people's opinions without agreeing with them. Okay. Next, focus on compromise rather than on winning or losing. Next, focus on compromise rather than or winning or losing. Rather than on winning or losing. Okay. Actually, in a constructive conflict, the goal is to aim for an equitable compromise. Okay, there are no winners or losers. Okay. Next, learn to listen to others. Next, third point is that learn to listen to others. Learn to listen to others. See, talking is simple. Real communication requires good listening skills. Okay, and there's a good proverb in English. Okay, a good listener is always good speaker. Okay. Next thing is that pay attention to inflation. Actually, research shows the vast majority of communication occurs on the non-verbal level. Okay, so pay attention to not only what people are saying but also how they are saying it. Okay, what? Research shows the vast majority of communication occurs at the non-verbal level. Okay, so pay attention to not only what people are saying but also how they are saying it. Next, take time to really listen before you respond. When others are speaking, instead of actually listening to them, many people are concentrating on what they are planning to say next. Doing this can cause you to miss key elements of other person's point and results in a lack of lack of true communication. So take the time to be patient and simply listen before launching into your own point of view. Okay, don't interrupt. Let the other person speak without interrupting. Focusing on what other person is saying and making eye contact helps us truly understand what is meaningful. Okay, next, ask for feedback. Fourth point is that ask for feedback. Actually, when you take a moment to ask for feedback, you communicate better and you are more likely to hear and share ideas. Understand why feedback is important. Okay, see, no one likes to be preached to. Okay, people don't want to feel like they are hearing a lecture. By asking for feedback and other people's opinions on a matter, you show that you are willing to hear and explore other points of view. Okay, next, interpretation counts. What one person says and what another person hears are often two strikingly different things. Taking time to ask for feedback, such as, "Do you understand what I mean?" Okay, what do you understand what I mean, or how would you have handled that situation? How would you handle that situation? Is a good way to see if you are communicating effectively. Okay, next, maintaining a positive attitude makes understanding easier. See, asking for feedback shows that you have a confident and positive attitude. Okay, people gravitate to positive people because good moods are contagious. Okay, next, respect and be aware of cultural differences. What? Respect and be aware of cultural differences. Cultural differences. See, we learn most of our people skills from our parents and others in our community. When communicating with someone from a different culture, however, it is important to acknowledge cultural differences. Okay, see, first of all, understand eye contact. In our culture, direct eye contact often indicates sincerity, while in another culture, it would be considered rude. Okay. Second, expect some misunderstanding. In cross culture communication, it is best to go slowly and step back instead of getting frustrated. In our culture, we like to get to the point. In other cultures, it may be important to establish repart before discussing potential controversial issues. Okay, get some help to foster improved communication. It can be helpful to rely on an intermediary who understand both cultures. Okay, next point is that seek out new people. Seek out our new people. See, meeting new people can enhance your creativity, help broaden your perspective on life, and improve your emotional intelligence. Remember these people skills when meeting someone new. Use body language. Okay, pay attention to non-verbal communication such as good posture, appropriate eye contact, and friendly gestures. Okay, listen up. Rely on good communication and listening skills. Truly get to know people by allowing them to express themselves without immediately interrupting with your own ideas. Next, be aware of the situation around you. Okay, be aware of the situation around you. It includes awareness of yourself, awareness of others, and awareness of the situational context within which the relationship is occurring. Okay. Ne- Next point is that maintain relationships. relationships. Healthy relationships boost our confidence and make our life more rewarding. Here are some flat thoughts on people skills that promote good relationships, such as take the time to be aware of the important people and relationships in our life or in your life. Okay. Second, in order to respect others, you must respect yourself. Very good point. In order to respect others, you must respect yourself. Okay, what does it mean? It means self-respect. Self-respect means knowingly what you uniquely bring to the table. When you feel good about yourself, you will be positive and affirming to others. Okay. Next, have the right attitude. Have the right attitude. The emotional intelligence needed to maintain a relationship is more than just people skills. It also involves having the right attitude. This includes expecting challenges along the way, keeping things in perspective, having a sense of good humor, and not taking yourself too seriously. Okay. So friends, these are all about the ways to sharpen human skills or people skills. Okay, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. You must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.